Welcome to the intriguing world of cryptocurrency. Imagine a digital currency, untethered by banks or governments, where transactions are secure and lightning fast. Intrigued? That's crypto for you. Cryptocurrency or crypto is a form of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It's decentralized, meaning no single institution controls it. Instead, transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded on a public ledger called a blockchain. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known crypto, was launched in 2009, sparking a revolution in the financial world. Since then, thousands of alternative cryptocurrencies have been created, each with its own unique features and uses. So, whether you're a sports enthusiast looking for a new way to invest, or just curious about the digital age's currency, crypto just might be the game changer you're looking for. Dive in and embrace the future of finance. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always do your own research before investing. Stay smart, stay safe. Until next time.